consists of four chambers. Two upper chamber are called cortical, two lower chamber are called ventricle. The right auricle is larger than the left one. Right auricle receives deoxygenated blood from the body. Left auricle receives oxygenated blood from lungs. Ventricle. The right ventricle is smaller in size. Right ventricle receives deoxygenated blood from right auricle. Left ventricle receives oxygenated blood from left auricle. Heartbeat. The word heartbeat represents one contraction and one relaxation of the heart is called heartbeat. The contraction phase is called systole. The relaxation phase is called diastole. Both auricle and ventricle do not contract and relax at the same time. The contraction followed by the relaxation of the heart is called heartbeat. The contraction of the heart produces a sound generally called the similarly the relaxation of the heart produces a sound the. These two together constitute the sound of the heart. Blood vessels that bring blood to heart. There are three large veins that bring blood to heart. Superior vena cava, inferior vena cava, pulmonary vein, coronary vein. Superior vena cava collects deoxygenated blood from the upper part of the body such as hands and legs. Inferior vena cava brings deoxygenated blood from the lower part of the body such as abdomen. Pulmonary vein which brings oxygenated blood from the lungs. This is open into left auricle. In addition to this, a major vein called coronary vein brings deoxygenated blood from the wall of the heart. This also open into right auricle. Sphygmomanometer. The blood pressure